Recently, I found out that I have this video that I have not uploaded yet. And it has been, I think, 4 years since I recorded that video. So, I was like, what the heck? I'm just gonna record this overlay video on top and try to give some context into what it is, and maybe it will be more interesting. And also, I actually think that this location is worth visiting if you're gonna be at the Keelung port. If Keelung port is gonna be one of your port of calls on your cruise, then I would recommend visiting this place. If you're into Japanese architecture, I think that it's worth visiting because it's only 15 minutes away by bus from the cruise terminal in Keelung. This residence has now transformed into like a partial cafe. And I will put the image here to show you what you can actually eat and drink here. You can have an afternoon tea in this traditional house. I think that's pretty cool. When we went to this place 4 years ago, it didn't have any cafes. And it didn't even have any descriptions of explanations of what this place was. But nowadays, it does have a lot of signage inside, which is great. But what you're seeing right now was 4 years ago when the whole residence was quite raw. It didn't have anything. So you can see this is the before, and you can visit it now. It's open Wednesdays to Sunday, and there is a fee to enter. I believe that you have to buy, you have to eat at the cafe in order to actually enter. I don't think it's not free. So that's something. But it's really convenient to go to, just even by taxi. If you're going by taxi, it's less than 15 minutes and you can get here. But if you're taking the bus, it's around 15 minutes. But if you get to wait for the bus, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, definitely check it out if you're gonna be at the Keelung port. You have to keep in mind though that when you're visiting this place, you do have to remove your shoes. It's just the way it is at this place. It's a cultural heritage building, and also at Japanese traditional homes, you usually do have to remove your shoes. So that's just a heads up. What's this under here?
I don't know. Just to show you the construction of this house, I guess, or they need to do a repairment. They need to keep this open. I can't find it. You can.
Another place that I recommend visiting if you're short on time when you're at the Keelung port is that you can take a taxi ride, maybe for 20 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes, depending on traffic. You'll get to a place called Waimushan Fishing Harbor. If it's a good day, then you can enjoy a really nice seaside walk. If you're a person who likes nature and coastal vibes, this is a place for you. If you have a longer stay duration in Keelung, then maybe you can go further. But if you're short on time, you can definitely go check out that Keelung Japanese traditional residence, and you can also go to this place and get some nature vibes. After this, you can head back over to the port where you can go to the night market. Basically, if you just have 1 day in Keelung, you don't have to go to Taipei. You could, but if you don't want to go so far, there's a bunch of stuff you can do in Keelung within the vicinity. If you're just going to be staying around the Keelung port, you can definitely go to these two places that I mentioned in this video. Check out the next video where we take you on a 4-day trip to Sun Moon Lake, which is in Nantou County in Taiwan. It is in the middle of Taiwan, so be sure to check that out. This is our handmade pizza. salty though. Very sweet. Alright, we have arrived and we got our tickets. And I just got bit by some mosquitoes. Wait, can we go in from here? I think we can go in and go into the top floor.
Heard that, right?
Yep, I heard it. 2 flavors.
2 flavors.
Hongyu is their specialty,
I think so.
but it's just Chinese.
Oh, that's a banana.
Oh, this one sounds good. The honey milk. Amethyst, passion fruit, banana. Oh, 古早. It's like a banana milk. But that's very special too. Maybe we should get different.